kambi keyo teko sitima Kenya Power. Apisa mag kaonti no kinyi makawuono no opuko taka kendo odhiro nyamburko mating'o taka oko malok tich mar Kenya Power bang' kambi no ng'ado teko mag sitima ka gidwaro mondo mi ochul gi gowi mar siling bilion 4.8. Apisa maduong' mar Kenya Power Rosemary Odur kata kamano yango ni kambi no oseduoko teko sitima e kaonti ma Nairobi kokwedo tim mar kaonti ma Nairobi kendo dwaro mondo mi gichul gowi no.
Nairobi City County over time has continued to raise issue with their bills, and we have had discussions. Over the last 2 years, we went to a process together with them to look at their dispute. And our team, together with their team, went out to verify the supplies, to verify the bills, and the process is just near completion. So we had an arrangement with them. We agreed at the end of last year. We sat together and we agreed that the bills that have been reconciled so far, they would start paying. They made a commitment that they would start paying from the month of November. But since that time, they have not met their end of their bargain. We have written reminders to them without response. And last week, we went ahead and disabled the supply at their installations because of unpaid bills.
Daika na par koda beach bang sa chilo mudhiambo chendo enrameny pinyero kamano kum kende kete mana Ramogi TV Victor Onyango wacho ni entiere kodwa